Hi guys, what's up? For today's video, we are going to perform an experiment all about diffusion. So let's start off by defining diffusion first. Diffusion is the net movement of a molecule where they are at a higher concentration to an area where they are at a lower concentration.
Zombie apocalypse.
Today's experiment, we are going to try and examine the rate of diffusion. Science say that the rate of diffusion increases with increase of temperature. And we are going to test that out in today's experiment.
Zombie apocalypse.
Of course, we are going to need some materials, and the materials that we are going to need are 2 glasses of water. One will be filled with hot water and the other will be filled with cold water. And the last material will be ink.
Zombie apocalypse.
So as you can see, the moment we put ink in our waters, there's difference on how the ink reacts to both of them. Well, first of all, what's happening here is called diffusion. Diffusion happens due to difference in concentration. Particles move from high to low concentration. Basically, the particles that are moving from high to low concentration in this situation will be the ink. You must have noticed the difference on how the ink reacts to the waters already. When the ink reaches the hot water, it moves faster and dissolves faster, forming an established uniform color. This happens because of the increase of temperature, increasing the energy of the particles. Thus, they move faster. Diffusion also happens when the ink reaches the cold water, but it also happens at a slow rate. This is due to what we said earlier about how the increased temperature increases the energy of the particles. To make the particles of the ink faster, we must add kinetic energy. To do that, let's first grab a spoon. Start stirring the cold water, and right then you will see the ink dissolving and forming the uniform color. Now that the experiment is over, we can now conclude that the rate of diffusion is directly proportional to kinetic energy of particles, while kinetic energy of particles is directly proportional to temperature. So that's all for today's experiment and for today's video. Thank you for watching and God bless.